Hello riders, welcome again. BMW R1300GS. That sounds pretty cool, huh? So today I'm gonna show you specially designed crash bars for this beast. Traditional crash bars are typically the steel tubes which offer line protection. Those bars are effective for protecting the engine cylinder's head from damaging. However, on the off-road terrain, it isn't the same. But we added stainless steel plates to this design to protect the engine cylinder while ensuring minimal disruption to airflow for cooling. The thickness of the plate plays a crucial role. After many testing, we decided on 4 mm. This optimal thickness ensures both protection and cushioning. The design also increases the protection coverage for the cylinder head, ensuring that the high-strength stainless steel effectively shields the engine. Some riders may wonder, in case of falling, if the crash bars bear the brunt of the force, is there a risk of engine damage? We have considered this as well. Through many tests in different road conditions, we found weak areas. As a result, we choose materials combining nylon and silicone for this bumper. Even the bumper is damaged. It can be replaced. Moving on the upper crash bars, yes, that's right, we added the mounting for auxiliary lights. The BMW R1300GS come in two colors, black and silver. The crash bars have also been tested in the extreme conditions of Xinjiang in China. After all this, these crash bars showed excellent protective performances. In case you have any questions or suggestions, please leave the comment below. And if you like our videos, like, share and subscribe. Oh yeah, and I forgot, have a nice road.